Hey Michael, you ready? Okay. You know me, Michael. I'm inspicious, but I'm feeling like this is about to be good. So when I'm done, I want you to call up Beck, and I want you to send it to her. She's gonna love this. Alright.
Bird crazy, I'm gonna get down. Spray my cum all over this town. You might wanna put away that glass bottle, 'cause I'm gonna make the whole room rattle. Head out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. Get your head out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. I'm thinking a little dessert, pecking order, making this town berserk. Butthole licking does sound nice. Play your cards, I'm all feathers tonight. Got me gracious when I'm going down. You make me feel like I got the crown, 'cause it ain't as crazy as it seems. The bird ain't crazy, just born with natural self-esteem. Oh yeah, bird crazy, bird crazy, bird crazy. Get out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. Get your head out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. I'm feeling a little bit fly. I think I might ask out a guy. Feeling good on a Saturday night. No one knows me better than the homies, alright. Get ready for this. I wanna go to the party with Beck, but I'm gonna have a heart attack. My doctor says I need to cool it down if I wanna stay around. I'm nearly 30, pumping the birds in this town, yeah. Out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. Get your head out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. Get your head out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. Get your head out of the gutter, head out of the gutter, get your head out of the gutter. Bird crazy. Bird crazy. Bird crazy. Bird crazy. Bird crazy. Bird crazy. Bird crazy.
Stop that shit, man.